it's Yvonna from Enjoy Your Life Coaching and Healing. And today I would like to share a message about how a drier home is easier to heat. So that means that you'll reduce your actual power bill. So a drier home, how do you create a drier home? If in the morning you wake up and you see that there's moisture on your windows, open those windows, really, let the moisture go outside. It's just so much more beneficial for you than just for your electricity bill, because if the windows are damp, there may be some mold growing and you'll have to clean more often, etc. Mold is also not very healthy for you. So air your home every day, and I think it's a good idea to do it before the hottest time of the day so that you can close your windows and receive the sun through your windows to heat up the home again. So that's number one. Then number two, cooking. When you put your lid on top of your pans and your pots, when you're cooking something, when you're boiling something, not only it reduces all the dampness going into your house, but also it will cook faster. So there's two ways you can save on your electricity bill there, just by putting a lid on your cooking pot when you're cooking. Amazing. Tip number two. Then the next one is your washing. When you have damp washing and you dry it inside your house, whether you use the sun or a heating system to heat it up, to warm it up, the dampness from the clothes will go into your air inside your house. And a damp house is harder to heat. Dry air is just easier to heat. So dry your washing outside if you can. If you use a dryer, that actually uses up a lot of power. So I know what I'm doing. I don't even have a dryer in my house. So my laundry goes outside on the line or even in the garage, which is not actually attached to the house. It's a separate building. So another tip to keep your house completely dry. So what we can do is air the house and then close the windows on time so that the sunshine from the whole afternoon can heat up your house again if it's colder outside. Put the lid on your cooking pots and dry your laundry outside. So there's 4 or 5 tips, just quickly like that, and it's easy to do, it's good for your health, and it will reduce your electricity bills. If you have any more comments about how to keep your house dry, do let me know. Oh, apart from sleeping with the window open, because I don't like that. Thank you very much. This was Yvonna from Enjoy Your Life Coaching and Healing. Subscribe to my channel and have a look at the rest of the playlist on Money Vlog, because there's a lot more videos about how to save money and how to make money. Thank you very much and take care.